Hello and welcome to the channel. Today, we're talking about one of the hardest truths about relationships. Even to people who love each other deeply will sometimes hurt each other. Many people believe that real love means zero pain, but that's a fantasy. Real love isn't the absence of hurt. It includes moments that sting, not because your partner is toxic or cruel, but because they are human, and humans make mistakes. Here's a truth that nobody really wants to hear, but we all need to understand. Even the people you love the most, the ones you trust with your whole heart, they will hurt you. And you know what? That's okay. In fact, it's completely normal. There's this fairy tale idea floating around that true love means no pain. That if someone really, truly loves you, nothing they do will ever sting. We see it in movies, we read it in books, this idea of a perfect, frictionless connection. But real love, the kind that lasts, the kind that's built in the real world between two imperfect people, it isn't like that at all. Even the kindest, most considerate, most loyal partner on the planet will mess up. They'll say the wrong thing. They'll forget something important. They will, at some point, disappoint you. Sometimes they hurt you just by being human. And this is the crucial part to get. That hurt isn't necessarily a sign of toxicity. It's not a red flag that screams malice or a lack of love, more often than not. It's just human imperfection shining through. Think about it. You have two separate individuals, each with their own unique history, their own fears, their own set of expectations and ways of seeing the world. You're trying to merge these two worlds together. Of course, there are going to be collisions. Misunderstandings will happen. Pride will get in the way. Stress from work or family will spill over and cause a sharp word. One person's idea of support might feel like pressure to the other. These are the natural frictions of two lives rubbing up against each other. Love doesn't magically create a force field that prevents all pain. What love does, what real, committed love provides, is a safe space to navigate that pain together. It's the safety net that catches you when you fall. So, maybe it's time we stop expecting perfection from our partners and from ourselves. Maybe we need to stop living in fear of that inevitable sting of disappointment or misunderstanding. The expectation of a pain-free relationship is a fantasy, and holding on to it will only set you up for failure. It makes you panic at the first sign of trouble, thinking, "This is it. It's broken." It's not real love, but that's not the measure of a strong relationship. The real measure isn't whether you get hurt. It's what you do after. It's all about the repair. How do you communicate through the hurt? How do you listen, take responsibility, and offer forgiveness? How do you use those moments of friction to understand each other better and grow together, stronger than before? This is what relationship experts call the cycle of rupture and repair. Rupture is the disconnect, the argument, the hurt feeling. Repair is the process of coming back together. And guess what? Healthy, long-term relationships are filled with thousands of these cycles. It's a dance. You step on each other's toes. You apologize. You adjust your rhythm. And you keep dancing. Real love is not the absence of ruptures. Real love is the commitment to repair, over and over again. So if your relationship hurts sometimes, please don't immediately panic. Don't jump to the conclusion that it's all wrong or that you've failed. Take a breath. Look at the situation. Is this a pattern of disrespect? Or is this a moment of human error? More often than not, you'll find it's the latter. That pain you're feeling isn't proof that your love is failing. It's proof that you're both human, navigating the beautifully messy reality of sharing a life. It's in the repair that you find the real magic. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more real talk about life and relationships. See you next time.